Exactly. Hi guys, it's Mrs. Tucker. A bunch of you guys have requested a video review for our end of chapter 9 quadratics test. So you asked for it, you got it. All right, I've got several of us sitting here and we're just going to work through all the problems on this review. So let's get started. Review number 2, solving quadratic equations. You must show all your work in order to get credit. All right, first one, number 1 says, solve by factoring. Solve by all of them. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4, we're going to solve by factoring. Don't get confused here. You know what, I don't like that. Let me try that again. Oh, there we go. That'll be better. Solve by factoring. Take a look at that one, and what do you notice? It is. It's already in factored form. So this factor here has to be 0, or this factor here has to be 0 in order for the entire product to be 0. Don't skip this step. 5x plus 3 has to be 0. That's this piece here. Ooh, look at that 0. Or that factor right there has to be 0. Okay? Now you've got two-step equations. Go ahead and solve for x. First step here, subtract 3 from both sides. And then do what? Divide by 5. And you get negative 3/5, which is the same as negative point what? 0.6. Either one of those are acceptable. Over here, what are you going to do first? Subtract 1, you get 7x equals negative 1. Divide by 7, and you get negative 1/7, which is approximately equal to, that's right, negative 0.14. Approximately equal to negative 0.14. I'd go ahead and just leave them in fraction form. Go ahead and leave the answers in fraction form. Now, take a look at your answer bank. Do you find those answers in your answer bank? Cross them off. Are they in fraction form or decimal form? They're in fraction form. Okay? Number 2. We're solving by what method? Factoring. Is this in factored form? No, so we're going to have to factor it. And I've taught you guys my little method called Factor Cracker. Ooh, that's ugly. It's been a long day. And I don't like that either. Let me make that solid. There we go. All right, if we're going to use Factor Cracker to factor, what goes right here? Your A, ax squared plus bx plus c. Your A goes here, your C goes here, your B goes down here. What's your C? Negative 24. What's your B? 5. Factors of 1. 1 and 1. I need factors of negative 24 that have a difference of positive 5. Negative 3 and 8? Negative 3, positive 8. Does negative 3 times positive 8 give you the negative 24? Okay, now multiply on the diagonal. Multiply on the diagonal. Does the negative 3 plus the 8 equal the 5 right here? Okay. Pop in an x, and your two factors are x minus 3 times the quantity x plus 8 equals 0. Now, before you go any farther, what are you going to do? Check with FOIL. Front two terms give me x squared. Outsides give me 8x. Insides give me negative 3x. What's 8x minus 3x? Last two terms give me the negative 24. We've got it factored. Here's the step I don't want you guys to skip. Write this out. It only takes a couple seconds. X minus 3 has to be 0, or x plus 8 has to be 0. Solving for x equals 3, or x equals negative 8. Yeah. Is that in your answer bank?